Hey everyone, my name is Reagan Ranzer. I am the reporter for Palmetto Life, and today we're here with Dr. Baron Nason at Nason Care. Thank you so much for being with us today.
It's my pleasure.
Of course. So strep is a big thing that's going on right now, and so what are those common symptoms that people are seeing?
Well, we are seeing a large outbreak of streptococcus ever since school came back in, and predominantly the symptoms are sore throat, fever, myalgias or aches and pains. Sometimes I have a little cough, and it's important to be tested because COVID, influenza can present identically. So I can't simply ask you a few questions and diagnose you with strep. It requires testing, but it's non-invasive. It's a simple swab of the throat, a tickle of the nose, and we can identify which infection you have and make sure we have the appropriate treatment.
Yes, and so that was my next question is how is Nason Care diagnosing and treating positive strep patients rapidly?
Well, it takes us less than 5 minutes to identify streptococcus. And when we do, we administer medication to reduce the inflammation. Many times we'll give an injection and then start the antibiotics and have you better within 24 hours.
And can you tell the people why it's so important that if they know they have strep, like why is it important to figure that out now than later?
That's a good question. A lot of people think strep is not a serious infection, but when untreated could lead to kidney disease called post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis, as well as heart disease. So it's very important that it be identified and treated appropriately.
And so what are we seeing this year are we seeing an increase, decrease in strep? What is it like in 2023?
We're seeing a significant increase, and we've had quite a few patients with COVID and streptococcus simultaneously. And that's very important to identify.
And so overall, it's important if you have those symptoms to come and get tested now to make sure we can get you those, antibiotics and make sure you can get better faster.
Come to Nason Care. You won't have to wait. Get popcorn and a cold drink, a simple test, and appropriate treatment.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being with us today.
It's my pleasure.